DXYZ stock tomorrow, Monday. Not Monday, but Tuesday. Is it a buy or sell? Let's see where is it going next in this very short 1 minute video. Destiny 100 stock sitting at 1725. It was like 9% down for the market. Post is a little bit up, like 29 cents or so. I'm still pretty bullish with DXYZ, but you know, the last thing that I'm doing is just blindly buying right now. Like, let me explain it to you. To give you context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins 2023. The same exact approach here, but like I said, the last thing that I'm doing, because going against the trend here is just, yeah, it's not it, because I've done like 20,000 videos. I do have a lot of data collected on me testing exactly this, and 8.5 8 times out of 10 is just wrong. You always want to be with the trend. Therefore, that's the main reason why I'm waiting for this double break. When it happens is when I'm then starting to capitalize on it. Because you have bullish approach. So it's not financial advice. For a 100% free course, check the first link in the description.